welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Riri and I love Ipsy. The traditional Ipsy. The we go way back Ipsy. If you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, it is a $12 a month subscription where you receive a small makeup bag and then typically 5 travel try me size items as well. This is the Ipsy versus Ipsy for November of 2019. I always do one bag that is my own personal bag. It says I'm adventurous, comfortable with makeup, light to medium skin, brown eyes, dark hair. And then my mother-in-law's bag comes here as well. She is light to medium skin, green eyes, light hair, and somewhat comfortable with makeup. So I always like to see, do they actually personalize them at all? There's been a couple months that we literally got everything the same almost. And then some months have been slightly different. So I think I'm going to go into her bag first. And you guys know I do not get any spoilers. I do not like getting them. It's just not my vibe. I don't like that, but whatevs, you know. Okay. I'm going to find the little card and just show you guys. This is November of 2019. The Wild Side is the theme for this month. This month, dare to step into uncharted territory. Electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of you. So that is what that looks like. And then typically inside, my apologies about that. My husband just got home, and of course the dogs like to go crazy when anyone comes to the door, knocks on the door, whatever. So inside it will tell you what products you get. Of course, I'm not going to look. First and foremost, the bag is hella cute this month. It is a cool little like cheetah print. This is a cheetah print. Cheetah print. It's like a beautiful caramel. It has like little kind of peachy, mauvey, little rosy tones in here as well. The first thing that I did pull out was this It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Moisturizing Super Cream Anti-Aging Moisturizer. I think she's going to love this. I love this and swear by it. I have this one and then also the redness neutralizing one. I love this stuff so fucking much. So hopefully she'll like that. I think she will. So the bag's hella cute. Has like cute little tassels on it. So let's dig in. First I feel, oh nice, Bare Minerals, a Bounce and Blur blush. That is really hard for me to say. In Mauve Sunrise. That is what it looks like. Of course, I'm not going to actually open it. It is not mine, but I will show you guys the actual shade if I can get into it without fucking up her box. Oh, I like how it opens. It's like, okay, that's cute. That's cute. She loves blushes, so I think she's really going to like this if the shade is not too crazy. That is really nice. It has like this soft matte kind of stuff on it. That is really cool. Oh, that's really beautiful. I definitely think she's going to like that. She loves blush. So, all right, we're going to stick hers back into the little thing here. That is really nice. I don't think I've ever tried a Bare Minerals blush. Side note, for about 8 years, I used nothing but Bare Minerals, like 99% of Bare Minerals. I used it forever. I absolutely loved it. Next up is a Verify, I'm guessing, Power Trip Phytoglycogen and AHA facial serum. That is what that looks like. She's not really into this kind of stuff because she has really sensitive skin and she breaks out a lot. So I don't know if she'll like that. I hope she does. Next up, she has, oh, she'll like this, from The Balm, a Mary Dumanizer liquid highlighter. I do think that she will like that. She is like me and is a highlight hoe, you know. And then her last thing is a, foundation. All right. It is called Lock Color. I guess that's the brand. It is a Lock It Good Foundation, BB and Foundation in medium buff. That is really cool. She loves getting foundation, so I think she's really going to like that. So let me stick everything back in her bag because I accidentally mixed one of our products up a couple months ago, and I was really sad about that, and I was so sorry. Okay, so let's stick this all back in her bag, and then hopefully she doesn't see this by Christmas. You know, you can do the add-ons and stuff like that as well for Ipsy, and I got her, she loves brushes, this freaking brush, you guys. I mean, y'all already know I love SL Miss Glam brushes, but it is a beautiful sparkly blue like a deep, deep, deep royal blue. I would use this for like highlight and stuff like that, but I wanted to get this for her. And then I also got her a Damn Girl mascara. Y'all know that's my shit. So I'm going to put these with like her Christmas gift, but I wanted to just kind of surprise her. I've been kind of trying to like get up some, you know, makeup brushes and stuff for her because she is like really into makeup lately. So I think she'll like the bag overall. I don't think she'll use like the skincare thing. We'll see. I don't know. But yeah, so that's her bag. I think it was pretty neutral, pretty natural. I mean, the blush was, I guess, more natural as well. So let me pull my stuff out. Good Lord. Okay. All right. So, of course, same bag with the little tassels, cheetah print, and all that kind of stuff. First, I feel a Gigi Gorgeous Turnt Touch Up Powder. Is that the shade? I guess so. It just says Turnt Touch Up Powder. That is what that looks like on the outer carton. I've seen this. I can't remember who unboxed their stuff or who got her whole collection. I don't know. I don't really know nothing about the brand. I can't freaking open it and I don't want to break the box. Okay, there we go. Okay, and it is cruelty-free and vegan. The packaging is so cute. Sometimes simplistic is the best way to go. I think that is really beautiful. It's like white, navy blue, and a little bit of like gold. Oh, I guess it's like a traditional, like a banana powder. So I will use this and keep it. I do like banana powders and like pressed powders. So that's pretty cool. It feels very soft. Ooh, no smell or anything like that. That feels really soft. I'm gonna go ahead and keep that out and not put it back in the box. Next I have hello. A Nomad by Sydney Bathers in Manly Beach. Blush, I guess. Okay, Kiss of Sun contour and bronzer. That is what the outer carton looks like. Oh, I hate opening these. I literally have 0 nails right now. Okay. I have tried a few things from Nomad that we've gotten in probably Ipsy, and I really do enjoy the brand. Just classic black with like gold lettering. Jeez. Mine's a little bit, she got damage in transport just a little bit, but that is really beautiful. It is very soft. Ooh, okay. I like that, honey. Okay. Let me give a little swatcheroo. Ooh. I will for sure try that. It kind of smells weird though. Does this smell like Ben Gay? Free of parabens. Blendable and buildable rich chocolate matte bronzer, contour powder. I was trying to see maybe, oh, macadamia oil to help the skin feel soft. That doesn't smell like macadamia oil to me. I'll try it and see. Next up is a... Oh, sweet! It's the First Aid Beauty Fab. Ultra Repair Oat and Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. That is really cool. De-stress, relieve, and nourish. Safe for sensitive skin. That is cool. It's the tiniest little freaking sample I've ever seen in my life. That's what it looks like. That's really hard for me to even hold. So that's really cool. I will try that. Y'all know I love oils and stuff like that for my skin. Next up is a full-size Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Medusa. Oh, beach. Very exciting. Ew. That looks disgusting. Let me... Sorry, guys. I really want you to see what this lipstick looks like because that looks disgusting. Focus, you fuck. Why does it... Yeah, I don't know why this looks like this, but it does not look like anything I would want to put on my lips. I need to see someone else's bags. I don't know what's going on. It looks like weird snot. Hopefully y'all can see it. It's like just draining down the little thing. I'm sorry that my camera is being a bitch and it's not focusing. I don't know why it would be doing that. And I can't show it to y'all. I don't know why my damn camera is not wanting to focus, which pisses me off. That's why I need a real fucking camera. Yeah, I don't know why it's not focusing. My apologies, y'all. Okay, y'all, I finally got it. I don't know if y'all can see that. I really hope you can. It looks really gross. I don't know why it has all of this on it, and it's very goopy and weird. I'm gonna hope and say and pray that this is from maybe it being cold outside and it's separated from the oils in it. So I don't know. I mean, it smells fine. It's a beautiful color. I'm gonna shake it up. Oh yeah, it's really runny. I don't remember my other one being like that. I've only used one Huda Beauty product and it came in like a lure or something. Yeah, it's all off of it now. I don't know what the... Okay, I'm not going to put it on my lips yet. I'm going to read up on this and see like maybe what kind of oils and stuff it has in it. But I loved the other one that I got, the Alluring. That is absolutely stunning. I do love this color. Y'all know I live for a good nude. And this is like definitely like a more brownie nude. It's really beautiful. Her lip colors are fantastic. The one that I do have, I really, really love. They smell amazing. This smells like they normally smell, but I don't know. It just looked really crazy to me. I'm not really seeing anything bold or adventurous here. Just FYI. And then my last item in the bag is from Wander Beauty. I have fumble fingers today. My God. That color is beautiful. Oh, it kind of goes on my shirt. Y'all, I've literally worn this shirt like 3 times already. I really love it. Okay, so this is a Wander Beauty Wondrous Glow After Hours. I'm going to just assume it's a highlight. So that's what she looks like. It's taped. Of course, this would be the hardest box in the entire world for me to ever open. Oh my God, seriously. I'm seriously about to just rip this damn thing, and if it breaks the highlight, then oh mother effing well. Okay, sorry about that. I had to pause because I literally could not get the damn thing open. So, Wander Beauty Wondrous Glow, and the shade is After Hours. Oh my God. That is pretty. That is really, really pretty. That feels amazing. Oh my God. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I'm really excited about that. I love highlight. It almost feels like kind of spongy. I'm going to try to get it really close again. But like you can see, yeah, you can see it. You can see like where I'm putting my finger in. That is really, really neat. I've never really felt anything like that. And it almost has like a pinky iridescence to it as well. That is really fucking stunning. So I got the highlighter, the Huda Beauty that we're debating whether or not we're going to put on our lips or not. The Fab Cannabis and Sativa Seed Oil, the Nomad bronzer / contour, and the powder. That's a pretty good mix. Very heavy makeup base, which is fine by me. And then I also got some add-ons for myself. And in their add-ons, you can do full-size products like palettes, high-end items and stuff like that for $12. I think they have a $5 section now, and then they have the $3 section. And I think you can get up to like 5 items. So I picked for my little items the Sol de Janeiro, the Boom Boom Cream in the Coca Cabana. Only because I've not tried this scent. I honestly was not impressed by the original scent. I didn't understand the hype at all. Oh, damn, it's sealed. Okay, I'm not going to open it right now. But I wanted to try this scent just to give it a shot because, again, you know, I get really confused by all these things that people hype up and then I don't like them. So, yeah, I'm going to try that. But $3, I figured it wouldn't hurt to try it. I also saw that they were going to have the foundations in here too, the Lot Color BB foundation, and I got Shade Light Buff. So I'm really excited to try this as well. Of course, I had to get me a Damn Girl mascara for $3. Hello. And then I got 2 brushes, the exact same SL Miss Glam. I just thought it was so freaking beautiful. So when I added some stuff for my mother-in-law, I decided that I needed that brush too. And then I also picked up this Motor Pro. It is a BMX 265 Glow, and that is a highlight type of brush. So those are my little add-ons that I got for the month. I definitely loved both bags, and I'm really excited to, you know, give her some add-ons and stuff like that too. I don't know if I'm going to keep them in her bag and just kind of tell her I got them, or actually put it with her Christmas gifts, because I got her some really beautiful stuff for Christmas. So yeah, I'm very excited. And I know a lot of people don't care for the regular Ipsy. You guys, it is a fan-fucking-tastic deal, dude. Like, this little makeup bag, I can go to Walmart right now, and yeah, you can go buy some for $1, but even their average little makeup bags are $3 and $4. So you're getting the makeup bag and 5, you know, products. I'm pretty positive that the Huda Beauty lippies are like $18 to $20. So it's well worth the entire bag. But I'm very excited. I pretty much have a full entire face here. So I may go ahead and do a full face of this and maybe load it right after this. I'll put on the screen whether or not I did that or not. It is time for me to go cook dinner. I love you beauties so, so much. I would love if you would subscribe and hit that bell right down there. So you know what I upload. I would love to have you be part of my beauty family here on YouTube. And yeah, I think that these are really good bags, both of them. And hopefully she likes hers as much as I like mine. One of the better ones, I will say. But I'm a ride or die OG standard Ipsy girl. I've been getting it for like 3.5, 4 years, something like that. But yeah, that is it. If you like this video, then please consider subscribing. And I love you beauties. Be your own best beautiful. Bye! Alright beauties, I lied. I decided to just play for just a minute. I did half my face with the foundation BB cream stuff. I really like it just upon first impressions. It is definitely more obviously like light to sheer type of coverage. It's really beautiful though, and it feels really nice and it smells good. The bronzer, not really a fan of. It was kind of like sticking in place, and I don't know if you'll be able to tell because I've already closed it and stuff, but it has a lot of kickback, which y'all know that normally doesn't bother me, but it also wasn't blending very well, which it could be this kind of like BB cream because it has a slight little bit of tackiness to it. That freaking highlight though, y'all, is bomb. It is really, really beautiful. So I think I'm gonna like this a lot.
I didn't know you could see me. No.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna like that a lot. And the lipstick I freaking love. I decided that I was just gonna go ahead and use it. I will say it looks slightly more brownish here, and on the lips it has more of like a purple cast to it, which is still stunning and I love it. But yeah, I just wanted you guys to see, not really a look per se, but yeah, I'll keep testing this kind of stuff and let you guys know. I do love the color of the bronzer, but it took me a few minutes to kind of actually get it to build into the skin. That highlight though and that lippy, love. Yeah, okay, bye again.